final moment. Congratulations. Final inspection na kami.
Boss, release na rin natin yung tinutuan na rush.
Talaga? Halika.
Yes, sir.
Halika, ano natin? Sleepin natin. First time ni client, backstory nito guys. First time niya kukuha ng kotse. Pinagpipilian niya yung mga 7-seaters natin dito. Pero ito yung nagustuhan niya, yung Rush. Anong oras daw, Raymart?
Walang sinabi sir, basta 2D daw, sabi ni Ma'am Marby daw.
Halika, i-final inspection na natin. Pero for sure, mga 4 p.m. din yun. Sakto, i-test drive muna natin. Tapos, saka natin i-scan, inspect. Yung mga ilaw, yung mga power windows, coolant, oil, lahat. Okay? Ma'am, sir. Ito na. Final moment. Congratulations. Final inspection na kami. So, test drive tayo. Sir, congratulations again. Guys, kompleto na stencil. So, may stencil na tayo dyan. Raymart, okay na to, no? Na-change oil na lahat, no?
Yes sir, final detailing na lang po.
Okay, final detailing na tayo. Yan, may nagka-test drive, guys. Tignan nyo. So, ito yung test drive area natin kasi may speed bumps dito. Yan, para ma-check natin yung under chassis. So, dito guys, sa all cars, nagtayo kami ng detailing area mismo dito sa showroom namin para habang dinidetail, makita naman ni client kung paano namin siya pakitabin, ganyan. Dito, we're very transparent. Pinapakita namin sa mga clients kung ano yung ginagawa namin step by step. So, check natin yung reverse camera working. Okay? Auto climate control, working siya. Check natin yung engine bay mo. Oh, di ba? Okay na. So, sir, engine bay, ma'am, okay tayo. Battery mo, alam mo, kakabili lang namin ito eh. So, bago-bago pa yan. Hazard niya okay. Check ko yung DRL. Ayan, so DRL working. Hazard working. Check namin yung langis. Pero kaka-change oil lang nito.
Bagong-bago po.
Ayan, bagong-bago. So, hindi pa siya color black. So, okay po yan. Kaka-change oil lang po namin. Okay, so scanning done. So, walang fault code. Okay tayo. Ma'am, okay na po. Pwede na po kayo pumunta. In fact, natin na po namin kayo. Final checking na okay na. So, I'll see you here. All cars, all yours. Yeah. Guys, OT tayo ngayon. Final checking. Tapos na. So, medyo dumidilim na pero magre-release pa rin tayo. All cars, number 1. Si client na sa baba, inintay na lang natin yung ribbon. Signing ng mga docs. Fully paid na rin siya. Standby muna. Congratulations. Ayan, nahabol namin ha. Ma'am, nahabol namin ma'am ha. Maraming salamat din po sa tiwala.
I had a very smooth transaction with Miss Marby. She took care of everything. I had a very wonderful, I'm grateful that I was able to find all cars, and I would like to say thank you to Sir Kevin and Ma'am Janelle for really assisting us all throughout. Thank you.